Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptics. Today we're looking at Island Coin, islandcoin.rocks. Now this is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and see what coins and tokens you're interested in. So Island Coin is all about embracing the island lifestyle, jet skis, fun parties, just good vibes, surfs up, man. And that's what they believe in. It's a 5% deflationary coin, and you can really see all the cool community events and stuff they're doing. If you want to rock out on the beach and have some crypto, this might be for you. So, how do we get started with it? Well, first let's go to CoinMarketCap. We can see the price of it, the low end, the high end, the information about it. We can see it is based off Ethereum. So you want to go to Binance, to Coinbase.com and purchase some Ethereum. And then, or swap it out with another coin. Then you'll want to have a wallet for it. I recommend MetaMask. It is pretty secure. You want to go to MetaMask.io. Make sure it's MetaMask.io and put your Ethereum in there. Make sure it's stored there. Once you've done that, you can go to Uniswap. Click Use Uniswap. And then you'll see Ethereum here, which is what it's based off of. You're going to want the address. So we're going to go back to CoinMarketCap. Copy this guy right here. Come back to Uniswap, paste it in. We see ISLE, import, and then you can purchase some. Just make sure to connect your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video. Leave me a comment below letting me know anything about ISLE or your opinion on any altcoins, cryptocurrency, any questions like that. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when we post more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.